What's up? My name is Kamal, Akeel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the small button that helps you fold the seats down in a FJ Cruiser. I guess these don't come off or go missing often because I had to get this from Toyota directly. It's a special order part. So that's the part number. Looks exactly like the one in the car. So when you look at the bottom of it, so here's the piece, and when you look in the inside, there's that little hole, and there's a rod inside the seat. I guess you just have to get the rod inside that little part, and then you're able to push it down to fold the seat down. So now we're in the car. Here's the back seat, and you can see the button on this side. Like, this is how it fits in, and then when you push that, it unlocks it and you can move it forward. So here's the replacement part, and then I actually so you can see here the rod part was stuck down in there, but I used a little tool to get it up, and you can see there's actually threads on that. So instead of just pushing this down on the rod, it looks like we can actually just thread it on. The replacement part, it looks like it actually has threads in there. So this should be pretty straightforward. I guess the only trick is really just getting a tool like this to hold it in place. So you just want to try to center that as much as possible. So I know it's threading on because it's actually starting to get a little tighter. So the trickiest part was really just being able to position the rod in the middle so you can get it in the right spot. So as you can see on this side, you can kind of just get an idea of where it sits, which it's almost kind of like flush with the back side of the seat, the plastic around it on the seat here. So on this side, it can be a little tricky to just tighten it down just because you can't really get your fingers around it, but you can get it snug and just make sure it's flush again. And then it should just push down and work properly. And if it's not pushing down and working properly, you might have accidentally kind of like screwed it down with the rod, not exactly in the hole in the middle, but maybe stuck between the outside edge of that hole and the outside edge of the button. Because the first time it felt like it was screwing on, it wasn't pushing down properly, so I took it back off, tried one more time, and now it's working properly. So yeah, that wasn't that bad, and I don't remember this being too expensive, but since it's a special order part, it's kind of, you're not really left with any other options but to just go to a Toyota dealer directly to get the correct part. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if you could give a like and subscribe to the channel, it really means a lot and helps me out. So thanks guys, and I'll see you soon.